Hello everybody, Enrico from ClickTrust here. So in this video today, I'm gonna show you how to create a LinkedIn campaign without going through the platform. For everybody that has created a LinkedIn campaign with hundreds or dozens of image ads or video ads, you'll know how painful it is to create it, going through the platform, creating every single ad set and splitting between image asset, videos asset, carousel asset, and so on and so forth. So the solution that I'm going to propose today is going to save you a ton of time. So what we will be using today in order to create our campaign is Markefact. For those of you that are not familiar, Markefact is an automation platform that is specifically designed for marketing operation. It comes with a comes with a bunch of connectors like the LinkedIn connectors, which you're going to have to activate here in order to create your campaign inside LinkedIn. And once this is done, you're simply connecting here. You're going to get redirected to the LinkedIn page. You sign in like you sign in anywhere. And that is done. Now you have the options of either using the agent or going through Claude and installing the MCP. In this case, I'm going to use the agent. You also have the option here to choose the model that you like. So, and the AI tool that you like. So I could be using Claude, like I could be using DeepSeek, which is remarkably cheaper in terms of number of credits that are being used. And I can also insert here my API key. So I'm gonna show you how the campaign setup is gonna work inside the agent. I have prepared this prompt here. Every time you create a prompt, whether it's in Claude or in the agent here, you want to be as detailed as possible in order to avoid future questions or troubles in the future. I have the name of the campaign here where I want my assets to be created, which is what I called here my default campaign group for now. So I'm saying here in the default campaign group in the LinkedIn account, let's say named ClickTrust, I need you to create two ad sets. Name of the ad set, actually let's say BFR, BNL. I have set this date range here, budget, daily budget, the account of audience, all the information that we would be adding inside the ad set. And then here, this is part I had forgotten actually. Then here, the two ad sets that I want, language and country specification for the different assets. And here, I'm going to add additional information about the attached images and the attached file. So for this to work properly, what you want to do is you want to have a good naming convention and a good Excel file that matches the images that you're going to be uploading. Because remember, like you're going to be doing this with just a couple of clicks. Okay. So what we're going to be doing now is here's the file that I have prepared. These are the names of the images that matches exactly the ones in the file. And here I have my ad text. Okay, here I'm just giving an example with 9 images. All right, so I'm gonna click on send. I actually forgot to upload the file and the images. So here's the file, number 1. And here I have my images, and the name of the images matches perfectly what's in the Excel file. So upload it here and submit. Okay, so here it's pointing out, it's smart enough to point out that there's a mistake. So I'm gonna go for BFR is French, FR images, and BNL is Dutch, and NL images. Okay, so as you can see, since my approval setting are set on ask for approval by default, it's asking me for approval. I'm gonna approve both of them. All right, so 5 minutes in, the job is done. We're gonna now double check inside the account to see that everything is correct. I'm back in the platform, and then now I'm gonna check inside the default campaign group, which is where the ad set should be created. Here we go. Here we have our two ad sets already filtered on test. Let's check if the ads are in there, and here we have them, all of them. If you're used to making ads in the platform, you'll have realized by now this is by far the quickest and most efficient way to create LinkedIn ads. If you're interested in automation for PPC, check out our training at ClickTrust.be. Thank you.